Here's what I found in our basement at 6:15 this morning when I realized the power had been off, which meant there was no sump pump, which means there's water coming into our basement. Luckily, most of it's in tubs. Um, we're waiting for Service Master to come and help dry some of this out. A lot of this is going to get tossed. We are underwater. We have about 4 inches, 5 inches of water. There we have an antique mirror on edge. That's not good. Got to get this stuff up. But the joys of home ownership. Don't you just love it? At least it will be a good incentive to clean out the basement.